welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nadesh Bulu. I am so excited today. Please, first of all, for my new subscribers, okay, please subscribe before you get into the video. Please subscribe. Today we are unboxing new kitchen items, okay? So guys, today I'm so excited. This is because I have to unbox kitchen items I got, like I don't know when. I don't know why I didn't film when I went to get the things, but I have gotten it and I want to share it with you guys. If you're a woman and you're in love of kitchen items, let me know in the comment section. I personally, I want to be frank, I am not obsessed with kitchen items. I am one of those persons that I buy when I need. I am not obsessed like I need this, I need this, I need this. No. I want a good looking kitchen bed with, let me say, I'm not obsessed. I'm not that kind of person that when I walk around like if I see something, I plan, I budget for something and I go and buy. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. Let me bring the things for you guys to see. And this is all I got, and I will share it with you guys. We start with this first carton, and as you guys know, YouTubers will say, I didn't open it. When I did, I know exactly what is inside, but when it came yesterday, I didn't open it. But in the night, I was like, those products delivered because it came the day after. Maybe they forgot things, and let me look into it. So that's why the carton is already open. If not, I wanted to be like, wow, I've not opened it. Can you guess what I got? Please, can you help me? Can you guess what I needed in this kitchen? Like, these are so important things. Okay, I mean, when I see these papers, like, I need to, it's like an obsession. I just need to. I got pots, ceramic pots, yeah, because your girl is about to upgrade her cooking. Let me join the cartons. I got pots, which I will share with you guys. It's as if I'm not seeing the pots. Okay. I'm just already looking the pot. This was like a necessity that I didn't love my pot again. And this, guys, is so cute. It's so cute. Guys, see this? See how it is looking good. What's the mark? Where is it coming from? Unique original. That's what it says. Unique original in French. It's so beautiful. I love it. Pray we don't get to break this. But this it's for my food to be looking like. The first one. This is the second one. This is sort of a deep fry pan. Can you see this? It's sort of a deep fry pan. But you can still cook something small like indomie, like any small thing, spaghetti, pasta, like just dinner for a small family. But I think my family, this is small. This is it. This is the smallest pot I got for little cooking. Oh, I don't know. For pap, yeah. For pap. Okay, guys, how does it look like? This is it, and I got also this Tefal, like they say this is the best mark in the market, Tefal fry pan. But I know definitely that this is not of really good quality because I got one 2 years ago, and guys, let me show you what it looks like now. This is actually what it looks like now, 2 years after, and this was like 20k for one. And what was the mark? Premium quality. It's written premium quality. What? This, what is the handle? Is out. It's like 4 months using this was out. And you know, in Africa, if you don't have this kind of fry pan in the house, then you're not cooking good food. So this I'm still keeping it. I'm not about to throw this. Actually, I got this since, and I really love it. Can you guess what it is? Let me give you a clue. There are 6. What is it? What do you think it is? There are 6 pieces, and this is it. This is ceramic black mug for your tea. Guys, it's so beautiful. When I say so beautiful, this is so beautiful. I love it. It's aesthetic. It's nice. It's something I love. This is it. There are 6 of them. One I got is just simple champagne. Okay, how we toast to good life. Yeah, I got this only 1 packet because my money was not money. The money was me. I wanted to get 2, and they were better qualities, like good ones. But money no be there, so I just got 1. That's it for it. Let's come to this dish holder. How do they call it? Dish carrier, dish holder, whatever you call it. It is something that carries dish. Yeah. This is it. I will show you when I insert it. When can you see this? Yeah, this is it, and it came with something to carry knives, to carry spoons, forks, and then your grater, your everything. I think this one they put it somewhere in here. Like where. I also think out. So, but I don't like this because in the long run catch it, and because you cannot avoid this from touching water. It's impossible. This is to put somewhere around here. I don't know exactly. Yeah, I think like this, and now you have all things, and you have water gather like this to gather water, and that's it. The next one is the best. Like I think this deserves a video of its own. This was the most expensive things of all these things. Like, it is a blender, as you guys have seen, stainless steel juicer, single cup, double cup. Like, this is it, how it looks like. I think I will do a different unboxing of this. I'll do another unboxing, like card by cards. This is huge. Yeah. Let me keep it. Whoa, it has a lot. Like, it has a lot. I think we'll unbox. Oh, guys, I'm loving it. I'm keeping it for a separate video, like a 5-minute video just for it. I think it deserves it. So that's what I got. And under all this, that's 100k. Not more than 100k. All what I got. These are tray. They are 3. And loving it, so good, like beautiful. That's it. That's all. The unboxing of what I got for my kitchen, for what I added in my kitchen. What do you think? What do you like most, and what do you want to add to your kitchen? Let me know. My kitchen is very simple. I think with time I will be upgrading and doing what I love, but for now I just have to manage what I have. Okay, so that's it. What do you love most about all this? For me, my heart beat for this and this. Actually, I'm confused, but I think I'm going for this and this. I'm like in between. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you guys. This is budget friendly. I tell you guys, this is budget for all these things for 100k. So thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video.